Today's episode is Dark Meowser ruins Thomas the Tank Engine's 75th anniversary / grounded. Dark Meowser. Today is Thomas the Tank Engine's 75th anniversary, and we are going to his house to celebrate. But Mom and Dad, I hate Thomas and Friends. Besides, that show is for babies. I want McDonald's. We are not going to McDonald's. We are going to Thomas the Tank Engine's 75th anniversary, and that's final. Get in the car or you're grounded. Happy 75th anniversary, Thomas. Thanks, Malcolm. Now let's sing happy birthday. After singing happy birthday, now let's eat the cake. I'm going to eat the cake without sharing. Oh. Doc Meowser, how dare you eat my cake? Now my 75th anniversary is ruined thanks to you. That's it. Go home right now. Doc Meowser, how dare you ruin Thomas the Tank Engine's 75th anniversary by eating his cake? But Dad, I was hungry. We don't care. You are grounded for 8,000 decades. Go to your room right now, or else we will send you to Ukraine.